window shopping, and I feel you guys should be caught up to speed as well. I'm gonna give you a Maggie review because why not? This is the Maggie. It smells good, it looks good, but we'll see how it tastes. And yes, I'm eating on bed. Get over it. I'm not sitting at my table right now. Let's try. It's so spicy. It's definitely spicy, which is good because I always stop myself from trying like variations of Maggie flavors because मेरे को लगता है कभी वो spicy नहीं होगा. This is definitely spicy, and you do get that cheesy hint as well. But it's only a hint. It's more spicy. I added a little bit more like cheese spread, so I think now it will be balanced. But it's actually really good. Add just a little bit of cheese, and you're good. This is what we wore today. This shirt is, I'm pretty sure I got it from like Lifestyle or something. The label says, what does it say? The label says the brand name is Recap, but I don't know. I got it from an outlet somewhere. These lovely trousers are from Sarojini. And I know people will ask for this tripod as well. This is from Meesho, but it is sold out now, so can't send a link. So yeah, now we will change our outfit. My work got approved and I can finally go to the gym. I've been waiting since 4 p.m. and it is about to be 5:30. I wanted to go to the gym at 4, but it's okay. I don't want to complain. I don't want to complain. It's a little frustrating, but it's okay. It's okay. At least I get to go. Because अगर 6 बज जाते तो I wouldn't have gone. 6 बजे like peak भीड़ आना शुरू हो जाती है. But at the same time like I was literally talking to myself. I was like, देखो gym तो जाना है. Workout नहीं miss करना. Gym जाना है. I will put on my earphones. I'll do my workout and it'll be good. So we will go to the gym. We won't miss. You know. That's basically you have to fight your own brain, your own mind a lot of times. Because your mind will always want comfort. Like it will always want and always choose the comfortable option and like deliberately nahi choose karega something that's relatively difficult, you know. So yeah, I feel like in the recent videos I've been giving you guys like my realizations and low-key like life lessons. I hope you're enjoying and I hope you apply them because I think they're worth it because they work for me. So we are going to catch up now. I feel like I haven't talked in a while. Just a lot has been happening in my life, and I feel you guys should be caught up to speed as well. So I haven't been to college for basically 2 weeks. I was about to say a week, but it's kind of been 2 weeks. I went last Saturday, and then the next day on Sunday I left for Chandigarh. Now it was a very impromptu, spontaneous, unplanned trip. It was a short trip, but it was very all of a sudden planned. And the reason why we went was essentially to meet my Naniji, because she had been sick for quite a while and we really wanted to see her. We couldn't go before because my sister was having her half yearlies, and as soon as she got done, I think her last exam was on Friday, Saturday, something, can't remember, but literally as soon as she got done, we decided to get there and be with her and meet her. So for the most days we were at home. We would go here and there, like Amy, just on a ride or something. It was only one night, no, 2 days. We did go out for 2 days actually. We went there on Sunday, we went out on Tuesday. I have such bad memory, मेरे को याद ही नहीं आ रहा कि हम कब क्या घूमने गए थे. On Tuesday we went for Dandiya nights. It was my first time ever going to an event like this. I have never went. I've always wanted to, but I've like never went for something like this. So it was so fun, and I have to say the crowd was amazing. Like, I'm sorry, but Delhi crowd could never. Nobody was pushing. There was accidental pushing, but people were apologetic and they straight up said, "I'm so sorry." You would not see that here. वो तुमको बोलेंगे कि तुम कैसे टकरा गए मेरे से, जबकि मैं टकराया हूँ, but तुम कैसे मेरे सामने हो गए. The entire vibe and everything was great. And then the next day we went to the mall because both my sisters, they wanted to see Demon Slayer. Me and my brother, we didn't want to watch it because we know nothing about it, obviously, and they wanted to watch it in Japanese. So what we did was we sent them in for the movie. While they watched the movie, we just roamed around the mall, you know. We first ate at Cafeteria & Co, had some great food there. We literally talked about gym while we were eating there. Then we went window shopping. I accidentally shopped while window shopping. In my defense, I found a great top and I had to get it, okay, and it was at a really good price also. Then we went to more window shopping and we ended up at a coffee house, had some coffee, and then we met up with my cousins. They were done with the movie. Then we came back home, and then the next day we came back home. Let me tell you, the entire week on that trip, I have not slept before 4 a.m. I have not. The latest I slept was at 9 a.m. in the morning. मैं सोने जा रही थी because ये trip kind of एकदम से आ गई, so I got a lot of work piled up, and of course I had to keep doing the work because you can't really get an off just like that. So I had to be working, and I was also side by side also trying to edit my own video. I was doing my clients' videos and all of that. So बहुत hectic हो गया था, I'm not gonna deny. And my laptop was giving me troubles again. So we were up very late. I did also film a video which should be up by now. I'm pretty sure it will be up by now, so you can go watch it. I planned on filming this, editing it and uploading it when I was there because I wanted this video to go up on October 1st, but I had to delay that because I couldn't do it there because of course honestly the client's work comes first before even mine, and I tried my best to try to find time, but I couldn't do that. My sleeping schedule has been horrible because मैं वापस आने के बाद से भी लेट ही जाग रही हूँ, लेट ही सो रही हूँ, बहुत लेट तक. कल भी मैं I think 3:30-4 सोई हूँ, परसों भी तरसों भी, तो literally it's just been the same. I have not been going to college either. I feel like मैंने इतनी मुश्किल से अपने आप को used to करा था कॉलेज जाने के लिए, and then बीच में इतनी लंबी ब्रेक आ गई कि अब मेरा मन नहीं है जाने का. मतलब मेरा दिन में मन होता है बट सुबह नहीं होता. जब मैं सुबह उठ जाती हूँ उसके बाद I'm like क्या करूँगी मैं कॉलेज जाके, क्यों जाना, नहीं जाते हैं, you know. But I want to go from tomorrow because I have things to do. Also yesterday got so hectic. Sorry, the day before yesterday. And look, she has red hair now.
Yeah, I gave her surprise. वो थोड़े दिन के लिए गायब क्या हुई, मैंने पूरा हुलिया बदल दिया.
I wanted to do a haul of everything we got क्योंकि हमारे जिम के बहुत पास में 4 कदम दूरी न्यू शॉप है, and हम हफ्ते में एक बार ही तो जाते हैं.
Yeah, of course.
Basically, they should give us like coupons, in my opinion. First up we have finger. Choco cake finger. इसका ये नाम है? I thought like choco cake.
नहीं यही ना
इतनी मोटी अंगूठी किसकी होती है? अंगूठी बोल रही हूँ, उंगली. क्या brain rot हूँ मैं? This is hers guys. मेरा नहीं है. मतलब ये मेरी बहन के लिए. Because she likes. And then Miss Ma'am, the moment she saw this, she was like, यही चाहिए मुझे. ये है मेरा सब
मैं
कुछ.
चिप्स लेना चाह रही थी मैंने ये देखा I was like
Such a healthier choice. And then I picked up my favorite. I got Red Bull.
stocked up
स्टॉक्ड अप के नाम पे 2 है लोगों के, उसमें तो पूरे क्रेट होते हैं. मतलब अगर रेड बुल चाहिए तो स्पॉन्सर करके भेज सकती है, मैं मना नहीं करूंगी. ऑब्वियसली मेरे फ्रिज में मैं जगह बना लूंगी गाइस. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, जस्ट भेजवा दो. ओके, वी विल डू अ वेरी स्पीड रन टेस्ट रिव्यू ऑफ रोस्टेड चिकन टिक्का दैट आई गॉट. ओरियो को चिकन की स्मेल आ गई है. अब ओरियो को चिकन चाहिए, है ना ओरियो? आते ही देखो ओरियो की नींद कैसे खुल गई. ओरियो